But anyways, I want to get right into this video because I want to talk about how's the baby doing right now, how I'm doing, how the family's doing with the baby home and all the changes, and then my channel update of how everything's gonna go. So let's get right into it. So how the baby is good. I had him August the 13th at 10 p.m. My baby was here on the baby shower day. So I was supposed to have my baby shower and he didn't want to show up. He's like, I want to be at the baby shower too. So yeah, but my sisters took care of all of that. They did so good with hosting that and everything. But yeah, I had him on August 13th. He weighed, what he weighed? I think he weighed 7 pounds, 12 ounces. So he's one of the bigger babies of all three. I did not have a natural birth. I actually had a C-section. That's something I did not want, but I guess it had to happen because the same thing happened with Nicholas. My uterus started to swell up, and it was swelling up over his head to where as he was pressing down, it was, beginning to swell up even more to where I wouldn't be able to push, or it would cause some rupture and all this extra stuff. So I did not get to have a natural birth like I wanted to, but it's all good because I have a healthy baby. And then I'm reading off a little bit, so I won't be rambling on. I just want to get straight to the point with everything because he is sleeping, but he's about to wake up to where I have to feed him. And then, like I said, I'm breastfeeding. I'm doing breastfeeding and then bottle because he does latch, but I don't think he's getting enough, and I'm not an overproducer with the milk, so I just get just enough. Like one breast gets about 8 ounces, the other one is 6, and that's it until I pump again. So I do bottle, but when I first started, he was only drinking a little bit, so I do have a stash of milk in our deep freezer. So we just kind of rotate that in and use it until I'm able to become an overproducer, I guess, produce more milk. So if you have any suggestions about that, like how I can do it, my sisters, they breastfed and they gave me some ideas, but if you have something different besides oatmeal cookies and oatmeal and drinking more water, or if that's just all I mainly need to do, calories, eating the right calories and all that stuff, if that's the right stuff, then that's what I've been doing. So I'm slowly trying to see if it's going to work for me to produce more milk, because my baby, he's starting to get bigger and he wants some more milk. And so but yeah, he's doing really good, guys. He looks just like his daddy. He came out with a full head of hair and he's just the cutest thing ever, little Menzo. So right here I'm gonna put a little snippet of me showing y'all little man and his little self. You won't see the face of him because we always wait until 6 months. We just want to enjoy the baby for the first 6 months, just being at home and taking our little videos and photos and pictures and all this stuff before we just post them and everything. It's nothing serious. It's just it's just something that we want to do. This is what we did with the other two, so we're just going to keep that thing going. And yeah, I think there's nothing wrong with that. People think like, oh, you think your baby's special and stuff like that, and he is special to us. So but no, it's nothing against anybody or anything. It's just something that we like, and we enjoyed those times alone with our baby and not having to be all on the Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and all that stuff with comments about this and that. You got some rude people out there, but we ain't trying to hear all that. So how I'm doing okay. The baby is having a hard time sleeping at night, so I'm sleep deprived. I have the night shift, my husband has the day shift, and we work together on the day shift, and the night shift is all me because he takes care of he gets the other two to school and everything in the morning while I'm breastfeeding little Menzo. But I'm sleep deprived. This baby has kept me up. He's been a challenge these past couple of weeks. He's a month old now, so he's been a challenge, but more than less, it's going okay. He's getting a little bit better. He's having a lot of gas on his stomach, so it's causing me to be a little not, that mommy mode, like, oh, is everything okay? Trying to fix it and everything, but it's just a lot of gas on his stomach because of the way he sucks in on the bottles. We got new bottles. We're giving him gas, burp water, He's taking probiotics and all. He's doing all that good stuff to help him. So he's slowly getting out of that. So he's doing good now. I'm able to get some sleep. Like last night, I got like 2.5 hours before the first feeding, and then another 2 hours after the second feeding. He's supposed to eat every 3 to 4 hours, but he's kind of in the stage of cluster feeding. So for me, like I said, I'm sleep deprived, but I'm doing good. I'm able to move around ever since the C-section. My belly, as y'all seen, this is what it's looking like. Let me pull the camera down so you can kind of see. All right, so this is what I'm looking like. My belly, it went down quite a bit. I did have a band. I had this band I was supposed to be using. They gave it to me at the hospital, but baby, my stomach was hurting too bad. Mind y'all, this is my second C-section, so I had a lot of scar tissue the first time. And so when they cut it again, they had to, cut through that scar tissue, and baby, I'm more sore than ever. But I use this when I'm walking around and stuff, just to help with getting my belly down. But yeah, this is kind of how it looks right now. I don't really use it because I'm about to get ready to start working out once I get released by the doctor to do so in 2 more weeks. So that'll be my 6 weeks. And then also I had a postpartum, I don't have it. It was supposed to be a postpartum band where you put the hot and cold, the little jelly hot and cold little patch down there to help and everything, but I didn't need all that. I kind of just did the big, pads. I did the big pads and changed them out and all that. I did all that stuff, clean myself and everything like that. So, but yeah, guys, I just want to show y'all my stomach. Let me show you again. Ooh, my boobies. I got my little booby pads on. That's what you see on this old sports bra. But yeah, guys, so this is what I'm looking like. Yep. It's going down pretty good. I got more stretch marks showing, but it's all good. Hopefully when I start working out and getting fit, all this will kind of subside a little bit. I'm still have my little baby marks, but it's all good. The things came out of this, so I ain't too mad at it. But yeah, so that's what I look like. And then as you can see, my face and everything has slimmed down and stuff, so I'm feeling really good. So what I was gonna say, pain, everything, I'm still hurting at the moment. This has been 4 weeks so far, and I still got a little pain down where my C-section scar is at. It's just healing. I had a muscle cramp on one of the sides where he mostly eat on. I started getting a muscle cramp, so it was hard for me to walk around and stuff at the beginning of the first 2 weeks, but now that has all changed. I've been moving around, cleaning, trying to get everything fixed up in the house, because when we first, I might post a couple of videos and stuff at the end, but when we first started getting to the hospital and things like that, I didn't expect me to have him early. My house was a mess. So I had my sisters help clean and everything when they came from the baby shower, and they helped out a lot. But I'll post like a little snippet and clips of us at the hospital and everything like that at the end of the video. And now for how's the family doing with the new baby? They're doing so good. The kids love him so much. They want to be around him all the time and want to touch him and things like that. So we taking the precaution of him not getting sick with everybody taking their shirts off from school. Been at school around all these other kids, they take their shirts off and they wash their hands really good before they come over to the baby. So we're just trying to keep that to a minimum of spreading germs and everything like that, and it's going good. He is like, he don't know nothing about them or see them or nothing like that, but I know he can hear their voice and remembers them when he was in my belly and stuff like that, because he's like, he get that eyebrow arching, he like turn his head to their voice and stuff like that. I think that's so cute. But they love him. They want to give him kisses and hug him, and they want to play with him already and stuff like that. So the family's doing really good with the new baby. It's only at the beginning when they see him that they like hover over him and want to be around him, but then eventually they just run off and go do their own thing, what kids do. So it's not they love him, so they not neglected by him, or they not, they don't see no, mommy loves him more or less or anything like that. They come and tell me about school, and we talk about, their day, and then we do their homework. So I'm still interacting with daddy, is still interacting, with them. while the baby's sleeping, things like that. So we're still able to give both our time to the baby and the big kids. So yeah, that's it. That's all for that. And then for my channel update, guys, so ever since I got the baby, I'm trying to debate on if I should be posting my family stuff on Dealing with the Delions channel, or kind of just keep it on Nicole's Beauty until I reach to a point where I'm able to split up my videos and put them on there, because right now I really haven't been consistent with uploading on one channel, so it doesn't make sense. I'm feeling like it doesn't make sense to be splitting up my videos, but most of my videos on my main channel that people watch are hair videos, so it's like, but I still want to record the baby video, so it's like, will everybody watch both or what? You know, I'm trying to work with this algorithm thing and analytics and all this other extra stuff, looking through all that. But yeah, for the most part, my channel, I'm thinking about, my main focus has been just hair videos, because I want to work on working on a natural journey, like different products that I'll be using, how to help my hair grow and things like that, because I really haven't really focused on my natural hair. I don't take care of it, and I want to now, so I want to, you know, make it a journey, I don't know, make it a thing on my channel to where I just kind of see the stages and see what I'm doing wrong, and kind of get advice from everybody on my channel of what I can and shouldn't do and things like that. I can do as much research as I can, but I still get overwhelmed with everything, so I'd rather have you guys that enjoy watching me, enjoy my hair videos, help me figure out different things that I can do to my hair. All I know is that I have low porosity hair, and I have medium thin hair, I guess. I don't know. See, I still don't know all that extra stuff, but my hair is not thick, it's thin, but it's thick when it's in its natural state, but when it's straightened, it is thin to me. So we'll see all of that once I decide on how I'm gonna go about that, my natural journey. But for the most part, I want to start doing like little wigs and everything. I don't know, I want to move into that, because I'm always doing braids, and of course I don't have no edges, and right now I definitely don't have none due to postpartum. But you see that? So I kind of want to just move away from braids and go into like clip-ins and tape-ins and sew-ins, all that good stuff. I want to move into the, you know, the wigs and everything. So that's what my channel is going to be mostly about, but you will see videos here and there of me cleaning, cooking with the kids, doing sit-downs with my husband, maybe doing mukbang, doing all this extra stuff. I might have videos here and there, because I'm not going to do my hair every single day or anything like that, so I will need to have, you know, a variety of videos in between me doing my hair. But yeah, so that's kind of what I want to talk about. That's how my channel is going to be moving into more of hair stuff. So if you have any other advice on like the way I should upload, please let me know down below. I'm still trying to work on these things. At first I started doing a video every day, and that wore me out. Now that I have this baby, I need to figure out another way of uploading where everybody be interested and enjoy my videos. But not only, I'm not doing it for, you know, everybody else, I'm also doing it for myself, because I like to see older videos of the family and like past Christmases and Thanksgivings and things like that. I just like that family oriented visual thing. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, I just like seeing that, the past. I love seeing how we grew together, how things have changed since then, and how everybody developed learning wise. But yeah, guys, I've been rambling on this video, but I am doing good. I just wanted to hit y'all with an update on the baby, me, the family, and then my channel. So thank y'all guys so much for watching, and hopefully y'all continue watching, and y'all subscribe and like my videos and comment, you know, down below with any questions or any answers or any questions I've had for y'all. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye bye. Hey guys, my water broke. I'm about to get ready to have this baby. Finish up the last minute stuff in my bag, and we're gonna head to the hospital. So hubby's getting the kids together, and I'm walking around leaking everywhere. But just like last time, I'm walking around like when I had Amari, y'all. So all the days today, yay! All right, I'm gonna turn this down. We're in the car. I got my bag. Put on my lap. But y'all, I'm leaking. I ain't got no underpants on. I'm sitting in the car. I'll just tell them how I'm leaking, and I feel a little lighter.